Hey guys, it's Steve with My Honey's Handmade. So on this Cobalt router, the thing that bugs me is this throat plate that came with it is not tall enough, so the material likes to dip down. That really bugs the crap out of me. So stay tuned, we're gonna make one. I've got the digital file available on Etsy, and I also have a set of 3 of these throat plates available on my Etsy store as well. So link in the description. But these work so much better. Let me show you. So in the Limeburn software, this is what I use for